Hey everybody, this is Mike Anderson with Collision Advice. I'm here with my great friend Danny with the DEG, and we're working with SCRS to bring you a series of quick tips that will help you to boost your business. So today we're going to talk about post-repair scans. First of all, it's really critical that we understand we have to perform a post-repair scan to ensure that we're delivering the vehicle back in a safe and proper manner. Now, keep in mind, ladies and gentlemen, there are a lot of reasons for performing a post-repair scan. One is, it's part of the quality control process. Two is we want to make sure that we're removing any, what Jake from Aztec has referred to as cyber fingerprints, right? Which is kind of like, any lost communication codes maybe in the system, etc. So at the end of the day, there's multiple reasons. That's a whole topic for another, video quick tip series. But at the end of the day, Danny, conduct a post-repair scan, included or not included?
It's a great question, Mike, and it's a non-included operation. And all three information providers are starting to, recognize that and see the evolution in the repair process. Currently, CCC and Mitchell do not define or provide a labor value for this. Auditex, you may see a published labor value, which again, with the DEG inquiry 17384, they have responded back and saying that the time that they have published is for hooking the vehicle up to an OEM scanner or a J2534 type device, reading the data and clearing the fault, and that's it. So any variables outside of that, which may require additional diagnostics, research, or additional calibrations or test drivings, are not included in that final repair scan.
So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. It's not an argument about whether or not we should do it. We absolutely must do it. In regards to is it included? Absolutely not. And we appreciate your insights, Danny. So ladies and gentlemen, make it a great day.